Good morning, everyone. How are you, children? Yes, I know you all are healthy and fine at home. Yesterday was our class test in which all of you gave very good performance. It means you are studying daily. Okay, and now from today we are going to start our studies. Okay, before the test and revision, we completed our chapter, English chapter. Which was that? Tell me, which was that? One Little Kitten, which is a poem. Okay, we completed its writing exercise and solved the workbook exercise also. Today we are going to see, or today we are going to learn chapter number 4 of grammar. Of which subject? Of grammar. Chapter 4, consonants and vowels. What is the name of the chapter? Consonants and vowels. Okay, before that, before starting studies, write here day. Which day is today? Today is Tuesday. And what is today's date? Today's date is 18th of August 2020. Okay. In first chapter we already know about the consonants and vowels. Do you remember? There are 26 alphabets in our English letters. In that 5 are vowels and remaining 21 are known as consonants. Which are the vowels? Tell me the 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. Okay, and the remaining alphabets are consonant. Okay, children. So here we are going to learn more than that. So see, you already know that a word is a combination of consonant and vowel letters. In second chapter, we learn that a word is a combination of the letters sequentially of the letters which give a particular meaning to that word, to that letters is known as word. Do you remember? And every word have at least one vowel and remaining are consonants. Okay, we learned this all in second or third chapter. Okay, so it may start with any of the 20 or 21 consonant letters or 5 vowels. समझ में आए बच्चों आपको? हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ा था कि इंग्लिश में जो है 26 लेटर्स होते हैं, जिसमें से 21 कॉन्सोनेंट होते हैं और 5 वॉवेल्स होते हैं. इन सबको मिला के 26 लेटर्स बनते हैं, जिसमें जैसे कि कुछ लेटर्स मिला के जो वर्ड बनता है, वर्ड किसे कहते हैं? कुछ लेटर्स जिससे कुछ मीनिंग निकलता है. कुछ लेटर्स जोड़ के जो मीनिंग निकलता है उसमें से हम उसे क्या कहते हैं? वर्ड कहते हैं. ओके, नाउ हियर वी आर गोइंग टू learn about the words which are start from vowels and the words which are start from consonants. Now see here, words starting with a consonant letter. First, here we have to know the words which are start from the consonant. In this picture, here which letter is given? P letter is given, and picture is of park. See, P-A-R-K, park. Which is the word? P-A-R-K, park. Park means where you go to play. Okay, or the place which you used to play is called park. Now see, which is this word, this letter? This is letter C. And whose picture is this? This is a picture of crow, a bird. CROW, crow. It is a bird. Now see children, in both these words, at least one vowel is included. Here in PARK, park, in this also A is a vowel. And the next is CROW, crow. In this word also O is a vowel. See the next, L. LION, lion. In this also I and O, these two are vowels. See the next picture. D. DUCK, duck. Duck means buttock. In this also, in this word also, U is vowel. S. SHIP, ship. This is also consonant. This word start from consonant and it also have one vowel. Next H. HORSE, horse. This is also a consonant. This word is also start from consonant and it is having two vowels, O and E. Now, words starting with a vowel letter. Now we are going to see the words which are start from vowels. First is A. ANT, ant. Ant matlab cheetah. Okay. Next, EGG, egg. Egg means anda. INKPOT, ink, pot. See, now these words are start from vowels. ये word किससे start हो रहे हैं? Vowel से हो रहे हैं. A, E, I. A for ant, E for egg, I for ink pot. See the next page. O. ORANGE, orange. This is UMBRELLA, umbrella. These also start from vowels O and U. Now get it? Now let's start the exercise. Write two words starting with the given vowel letters. Follow the example. Here in this book, they have given us some examples to solve, or we have to write two words which start from vowels. One has been given for us, or one example is given here. For example, U. We have to write two words from U, or which start from U vowel. First one is umbrella, UMBRELLA, umbrella. Second one is earn. Okay. Now see first A. First vowel is A. From A, I wrote here apple and aeroplane. If you remember any other word, you can write it also. Okay. Now see first. APPLE, apple. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. The next vowel is E. ELEPHANT, elephant. EAGLE, eagle. The third vowel is I. IGLOO, igloo. INDIA, India. Fourth vowel is O. Now tell me which word is start from O? Do you remember? It is very close to us. Yes? Yes. Orchid. 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 It is the name of our school. Orchid Techno School. Okay. ORCHID. Orchid. OVEN. Oven. In which we bake the cake, biscuits, etc. Fifth vowel is U. URN, urn, and UMBRELLA, umbrella. This is urn, in which we keep the flowers, and umbrella, which we used in rain. See the question number 2. Write two words starting with the given consonant letter. Follow the example here. Now the consonants are given. We have to write two words which are start from consonant. One has been done for us. Which vowel is this? Which consonant is this? B. So two words are ball and bat. Okay. Now see the first. C. C-U-B, cub. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Cub means a baby lion or baby tiger. A big cat's baby are known as cub. And this is C-A-M-E-L, camel. Camel means oont. Second one, D. D-O-G, dog. D-O-L-L, doll. Dog, doll. Third one, F-O-X, fox. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Fox and friend. Fourth one, G. G-O-A-T, goat. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Fifth one, H. H-O-U-S-E, house. H-A-N-D, hand. J. J-O-K-E-R, joker. J-A-C-K-A-L, jackal. Jackal मतलब सियार. इट इज़ अ एनिमल. क्या कहते हैं? वुल्फ के जैसे दिखने वाला या फिर फॉक्स के जैसे दिखने वाला जैकल होता है. क्या होता है? जैकल होता है. K-I-T-T-E-N, किटन. किटन किसे कहते हैं? बेबी ऑफ अ कैट. बिल्ली के बच्चे को क्या कहते हैं? किटन. हमने अभी पोयम में देखा ना रिसेंटली, वन लिटिल किटन. ओके. K-E-N-N-E-L, कैनल. कैनल मीन्स हाउस ऑफ डॉग. कुत्ते के घर को हम क्या कहते हैं? कैनल कहते हैं. 8th, L. L-I-O-N, lion. L-A-M-P, lamp. M. M-A-N-G-O, mango. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. 10th, N. N-O-S-E, nose. N-A-I-L, nail. 11th, P. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Q. Q for queue. क्यू मानी कि कतार. हम लोग प्रेयर के लिए जो लाइन बना के खड़े रहते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? क्यू. Q-U-E-U-E, क्यू. सेकेंड वर्ड इज Q-U-E-E-N, क्वीन. 13th, R. R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. R-O-S-E, rose. 14th, S. S-T-R-A-W, straw. S-H-O-E, shoe. 15th, T. T-I-G-E-R, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. You also have to write these words as I wrote. Okay, children. Now this is page number 27. Turn to page number 28. Question number 3. Add vowels to the following letters to correctly spell the name of an animal. Write the name of the animal in the given space. Follow the example. Here some letters are given. We have to we have to add vowels in that letters and make them a word of an animal. Okay. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ लेटर्स दिए हुए हैं. हमें इनमें क्या करना है? वॉवेल्स डालने हैं. क्या करना है? इनमें हमें वॉवेल्स डाल के एक वर्ड बनाना है. जो वर्ड कैसा होना चाहिए? एनिमल का नेम होना चाहिए. वो वर्ड क्या होना चाहिए? एनिमल का नेम होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे करके दिया है M-S, तो इसमें उन्होंने O-U-E, ये 3 वॉवेल मिला के क्या बना दिया? M-O-U-S-E, माउस. माउस मतलब चूहा. माउस मतलब चूहा. तो सी फर्स्ट L-M-B, तो इसमें हम वॉवेल डालेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? वो L-A-M-B, लैम्प. तो ए क्या हो गया? वॉवेल हो गया. सेकेंड वन L-N, L-I-O-N, लाइन. I और O ये दोनों क्या हो गए? वॉवेल हो गए. थर्ड नंबर L-Z-R-D, तो इसमें हमें वॉवेल डाल के एक एनिमल का नेम हमें बनाना है. L-I-Z-A-R-D, लिजार्ड. वॉवेल कौन से है? I और A. For BT, BAT, bat. Bat is a mammal bird. इसमें वोवेल कौन सा है? A. फिफ्थ वन HRS, HORSE, हॉर्स. वोवेल O and E. हॉर्स मतलब घोड़ा. सिक्स नंबर GCK, GECKO, जैको. क्या है ये? जैको. इट इज ऑल्सो एन एनिमल. क्या है ये? एनिमल का नेम है. मैं आपको इसकी पिक्चर सेंड करती हूँ. ओके, दिस इज यू दिस एनिमल यू हर्ड फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम. ओके. 7 नंबर SNAKE, स्नेक. इसमें वॉवेल कौन से है? A and E. ओके. नाउ 8 नंबर TRTS. We have to add vowels in this letter, in these letters. TORTOISE, tortoise. Here the vowels are O, O, I, E. कितने vowels है? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, O is used for 2 times. 9 number GRFF, GIRAFFE, giraffe. And 10 number TRKY, TURKEY, turkey. This is also an animal. Which vowels are used? U and E. These two vowels are used in this word or in the name of this animal. Got it, children? Now the next one, brain ticklers. Circle 10 pictures that start with consonant letter B and write their names in the space provided. Here some pictures are given. Okay, हमें कौन सी पिक्चर को सर्कल करना है? ऐसे 10 पिक्चर को सर्कल करना है जो कॉन्सोनेंट बी से स्टार्ट होते हैं. कौन से कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होते हैं? बी से स्टार्ट होते हैं. उन्हें सर्कल करना है. और यहाँ पे जो स्पेस दी हुई है हमें 10 वर्ड्स की, उसमें हमें वो 10 वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. तो सी फर्स्ट वन. ये किसका पिक्चर है? कैन यू सी दिस? किसका पिक्चर है ये? क्या दिख रहा है आपको? बलून. दीज आर बलून्स. तो किससे स्टार्ट होता है? ये बी से. तो हम इसको ऐसे सर्कल करेंगे. ओके. नाउ सी दिस पिक्चर. दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ बैट, BAT, बैट. हमने अभी ऊपर लिखा था ना, अ मैमल बर्ड. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज एक्स. ये किससे स्टार्ट होता है? ए से. दिस इज 7. किससे स्टार्ट हो रहा है? S. स्पैरो. ये बी, हनी बी. किससे स्टार्ट हो रहा है? बी से. तो हम इसको भी सर्कल करेंगे. दिस वन, बॉल. सर्कल this also. This is bus. Zip, Z से. This is elbow. This is butterfly. 3, T. 4, F. This is banana, B. Button, B. Bicycle. Pencil, P. Mirror, M. So now tell me, how many words are there? Balloon, bat, bee, ball, bus, butterfly, banana, button, bicycle. Okay, now we have to write the spellings here where space provided. Okay. Now start writing one by one. Which is the first picture? Balloons. So write here BALLOONS. Balloons. Second picture, bat. BAT, bat. Third one, bee. BEE, bee. Fourth one is ball. BALL, ball. Then bus. BUS, bus. Then butterfly. BUTTERFLY. Then banana. BANANAS, bananas. This is button. BUTTON, button. This is bicycle. BICYCLE, bicycle. And tell me one more word which start from B. Do you remember? We can write here bat. BAT, bat. Okay. See children, here we completed our chapter number 4, consonant and vowel. Okay, you have to write this all as I write or as I wrote. See it carefully. Okay then. Thank you and have a nice day. Do it carefully children, okay? Bye bye.